Hello guys, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to block websites on Android. For this, go for your Chrome browser, go for three dot option here. Now tap on settings. Scroll down at the bottom. Now you can see there is a site setting here. Then go for it and search for third-party cookies. So here it is. Now you have to turn this block third-party cookies. Then go back and go for all sites, and now you can block any kind of sites from here. Just go for delete and reset. Now it's blocked. So yeah, that's how you can block websites on Android. If you found this video helpful, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.